Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create engaging YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers to your videos, so let's make sure yours stand out. Let's get started. First things first, if you don't have a Canva account yet, head over to canva.com and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll see Canva's intuitive dashboard, ready for your creativity. Choosing the right template. Let's begin by selecting a template. Click on the Create a Design button and type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. You'll see a variety of eye-catching templates. Choose one that matches your video theme. Remember, you can customize everything to fit your style. Customizing your thumbnail. Now it's time to personalize your thumbnail. Start by changing the text. Click on any text box and type in your title. Make sure it's bold and easy to read, even on small screens. Adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the toolbar at the top. Next, let's add some visuals. To make your thumbnail pop, use Canva's elements like shapes, icons, and illustrations. Canva offers a huge library of free and premium images, or you can upload your own. Simply drag and drop them into your design. Adding your branding. For a professional look, don't forget to add your branding. Include your logo and use consistent colors and fonts that match your channel's theme. This helps viewers instantly recognize your videos. Downloading your thumbnail. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your thumbnail. Click the Share button at the top right corner, click the Download option, choose your preferred file format, PNG is usually best, and hit the Download button. Your engaging YouTube thumbnail is now ready to boost your video's click-through rate. And that's it, you've just designed a stunning YouTube thumbnail with Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.